Hello, students. Krishnan Singh from Ignite India and cognitive ability is the and spatial memory. This is the one of the chapter which actually create a lot of doubts in your mind still, and you guys are getting worried about it. Okay, what is the cognitive ability? How this ability work? And I actually make so many example videos on cognitive ability. So let's see the space, what is spatial memory is the memory response recording information which there towards the spatial environmental, and you see here and there in your life how it is balanced or proportion. There are a lot of things comes under this. So whatever you see, any product, the way you hold, the way you someday maybe you are walking in your home and you realize suddenly next day if something comes in a way, and you may hurt yourself and you realize, okay, because of the place change you got this. So it's this particular chapter where you have spatial memory, where you have cognitive understanding of the subject is very example. So here when you see the view of the object, whenever we will see that, that is also come under that. We say someone on eye level, top eye view, bird eye view. So different eye view, when we see that, so product may look different. One cube can look 2D for in a 2D form also, and one cube can look okay a solid form also. So here right hand side composition, if you will see the four images, so which one you see in this in proper balance and cognitive, A, B, C, D. Right here in the example, comment box below which you feel like, and the left hand side composition you have to tell me, okay, the view which you have here, it's this is in which view, which eye view you can see. Is it a bird eye view or some other? And what is kind of the spatial relation they have in between. So spatial relation of the product is very, very important when we come for a cognitive and when we come for such a question in the exam. So I am trying to clear your doubt towards it in this particular chapter. So here you have on six cartoons, six images which relate and resemble your childhood, which you have may you had a similar toy also when you were a kid. But could you resemble, okay, how exactly it's soft, how handy it is, how you have hold, and how you have played with this throughout your childhood. So if you will see that the space for the buttons, which using the thumb you have utilize it, and holding the bulb and your toy or maybe the gombo things. So although why I have given here these example of the image and why you have here these pictures over here in the image, because this is very important example, or you can in fact recall it and relate it with you. Okay, yeah, I had this experience in my life. So that's what, guys, make sure have a look at around you the product which relate you, which talk about you, and write the number 1 2 3 4 5 6, how many you can do it right away, so that we could have a better understanding of it. Again, visualize it, remember it, and say us. So here which images are here, how that's relate, how these images you can relate with the real one, is that the abstract or geometrical or memory based, and what kind of the spatial relations and what kind of the nature relation they have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, which order you want to keep all this 10. I'll go back again. Let's go back to last slide. See here the order 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this spatial relation, that means in relation between the each other, in a which order you want to keep this, make sure that the below the image will come, that is for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Tell me in the order which you want to keep. So you can just give the number 1, number 2, number 3, where which one you want to keep. So that's what through this I want to take you through, so you can look at the broad understanding of the spatial relationship. A spatial relationship neither or not is just end with the product packaging, product branding, product marketing, or maybe the space relation. It goes hand on hand, and there's a lot of things come under of it. End of this video I will give you some practical example also for the spatial relationship, and that will give you the more understanding, a better understanding of the subject. Make sure you stay connected in this video with me. And was that, well, here you can see that the 5 different folks of India belong from different cities, that also you can write, and from where all in which state is belong, so although you have normally we see in the marriages of particular a state, they use it. Although whenever we have some celebration festival, there we use, where we have, but in which order you want to keep and why? That is the important question over here. Write the all possible relationship in between, order and their conclusion, why it is. So I'm giving you a lot of tasks today in this particular ability test. So now here, make sure that you go through this, read these points are very carefully over here, and I will take you through with some couple of practical example which will come on your screen right now, and I will show you, I will demonstrate you live over here. So I will show you right now. After this, I hope you guys have gone through this. Now here, the next one in the form of puzzle, you can see that. So here, there is a way to reach from each other. Such game you had played a lot before. So although steps, when you will start from step one and you have to reach to certain space, so which one you are following, from where you are going, steps. So I'm telling you this special relationship from starting to here in a step by step in a form. Exam, how you will relate? Exam, you will divide in the category special relationship, and then you will pick those words for your exam. So this theory will help you to get the right answers are easily from your exam. Okay, so I hope you are able to relate it now, how important it is. So at the same time, here is the another example. Well, so let's move to the next one quickly and see that here, the end of this video, I will come for example with the example, and read this very carefully, guys. Well, so yeah, another one is example of again the from the game. You, because we just try to take such examples so that it would be easy gone through this thing kind of things, so let's look at the game which is going in a way, and that's what it is. Now the another one is again the example of the fish are there in the water, and those such games. Plan it accordingly, look at all this, let us know that where you are getting confused, and where you have any kind of a doubt and question, make sure you make sure you ask us. Yeah, so that's it from this particular slide. And now I will give the example, the best example of this spatial relationship with the product. Well, so next one will show you right now in the hand now the example of, after closing this. So well, let's go this, look at this one. If you can see me on the screen, so I will show you the example of